Good afternoon, perfume ladies. Amelia here from AmeRu. Sorry for the hair. We always put it up while we're packing orders to make sure that our hair doesn't fall into our parcels or the body creams or anything like that. So we received an order from a beautiful lady, Sunai, and she is trying out our fragrances for the first time. So the first perfume she ordered was Cloud. Oh, this is beautiful. I always smell every single bottle I decant in either sample bottles or bigger bottles. And let me close this up like that. And then we test to make sure that the sprayer works well. And then we've got small little labels that we pre-print also before we pack an order. And we stick this on. Like so. Now you can see it looks like that with the name Cloud on it. Well, I've got the shakies, I don't know why. Anyways, the next fragrance she ordered was Roses and Musk. This is really beautiful. This is one of our most popular fragrances, Roses and Musk and Cloud. Oh, it's so fresh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's so, oh yeah. I've got an obsession with fragrances, ladies. That's why I do what I do. I really enjoy it. So let me just decant this one. Sometimes we throw a little too much and sometimes too little, like now. Throwing a little bit too much because otherwise it leaks in the packages, which you don't want either. Then we make sure that the spray bottle works well. And we put on a little sticker. So for this lady, she doesn't know. I always pack extra samples just as a freebie. Customer seems to really like it. So for her, I chose Angel Nova from Thierry Mugler. Oh, this is also beautiful. It's soft and it's feminine, and oh, I hope she likes this one. Anyway, so when we decant this one, all our fragrances are stored in very dark places, like I said before in my previous video. And also we make sure our shutters are closed, so that the direct sunlight can't affect our fragrances, because light is never good for fragrances. And then we just put the sticker on here. Oh, by the way, we've got a promotion running currently. I'll show you now. Angel Nova. There we go. Beautiful. So we've got I know this is going to be the wrong side around for you, but I'll send you in the description the coupon code. It says AmeRu 15%, and it also shows you our new fragrances we have in our collection. It's Le Mail from Jean-Paul Gaultier and L'Ombre Dans Eau de Parfum and Douceur de Petite. I always say diptyque, it's actually diptyque. Anyway, so there's that. So when we're done with this, I'm going to put it in a little parcel. There's some noise coming, really sorry about that. To make sure that the fragrances don't get hurt while on its way to this lovely lady Sunai. Put it there. And put the little samples in. Also the beautiful note that you can get 15% off on a next order. And this is the final lot. Oh, I almost forget something. Like I said, we personalize. There we go. There we are. Sunai's order is finished. Now I'm going to book for the courier guy to collect the parcel in the afternoon. Have a good day, everyone. I'll see you later.